Today we're taking a look at the one-click OpenClaw setup of Hostinger. Usually it's an all-in-one web hosting platform offering a website builder, WordPress hosting or a full VPS infrastructure. But with their new one-click OpenClaw setup, even non-technical users can get started in minutes. Let's go in. So first you go on hostinger.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. In this video we will look at the one-click OpenClaw setup. Here we have an overview about OpenClaw on Hostinger. It's your own AI agent, which is private and always live. As you can see here, you have your OpenClaw interface. You can chat with it, you can create your agents. To get started, just click on Get Started. Choose your plan, like a managed OpenClaw or OpenClaw on VPS. In the interface of Hostinger, on the left you have the OpenClaw setup. Here you can create your OpenClaw setup. Just click on Setup. Here you can create a provider like OpenAI or Gemini. We will continue with Nexus AI. You have the top models like Claude, DeepSeek, GPT. Just hit Next. Now he's already initializing the setup for OpenClaw. You have to do nothing here, just sit back and relax. You can also play a little game here. Let's do it. Now the initializing is finished. Now you can connect OpenClaw to a messaging app like Telegram, WhatsApp. You can skip this part and do it later. You can copy your access key here. Now you OpenClaw, and here we are, a finished OpenClaw interface here, ready to use for your use case. For example, just hit what can you do. Here you have an overview what he can do. You can create your own agent to check the weather, managing your emails, setting up cron jobs, nearly anything you can imagine. He can do it. Let's give him a name. Your name is Peter. And now we created a new session. As you can see, he's Peter now. Your task is to give me some information and ideas for a PowerPoint presentation about a topic. So now he's asking us what's the topic of the presentation. We want how to create a coffee shop business. And as you can see, he's generating an overview about the slides with the different information per slide. Why start a coffee shop, research the market, create a business plan, and so on. It's easy as that. You can also use it via Instagram or WhatsApp, as we saw before, to control and manage your OpenClaw agents. As you can see on the left, you have the different agents, the skills, devices. You can configure your OpenClaw setup here. It's easy as that. Now we try the same on your desired VPS. We want to try the one-click OpenClaw setup. Just hit Setup, choose the server location, choose Docker application, hit OpenClaw. Now here you have the gateway token. You can enter the WhatsApp number or Telegram token to communicate with OpenClaw on VPS. As you can see, he's already installing OpenClaw on your desired VPS. Once it's done, you can see under your Docker manager, OpenClaw is ready to use. Just click on Open, enter your gateway token from before, and as you can see, we have the OpenClaw interface again, ready to use for your use cases. If you liked Hostinger, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.